Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Motorola Edge 70. Okay, we have two ways how we can do it. We can reset our phone through the settings, that's also the recommended method, and we also have the reset using the recovery mode. I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with settings. Simply open them up, scroll down until you find System and Reset Options. In here, we are interested in the last option, Erase All Data Factory Reset. Before the reset, you can also create a backup of your data. I highly recommend doing that because even after the reset, we'll be able to restore the data that we had before. If you don't know how to create a backup, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you everything step by step, so if you want, you can watch that video. Okay, and now if you click on Factory Reset, your device will be turned off. Then it will be automatically turned on again, and the next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process. Remember that all of your data will be erased, so that's why it's good to have a backup. That's the first method. When it comes to the second method through the recovery mode, we need to remember about two things. If you have your screen lock set, there's a chance that after the reset during the setup process, the phone will want you to type that password as a confirmation that you're actually a user of this device. Or it will want you to log in into the same Google account into which you were logged in on your phone before the reset, also as a confirmation that you are a user of this device. So remember about it. And now let's go straight into recovery mode. First, let's power off our device, click power button and volume up button and click on power off. Okay, now to launch the recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume down button at the same time. Keep holding until you see this. Now using the volume keys, we need to find recovery mode and now confirm by clicking power button. We need to wait a little bit. Okay, we can see the Android logo and it says no command. Now we need to hold power button and while we are holding it, we need to tap volume up. So hold power and click volume up. Now using volume keys, select wipe data / factory reset. In here you can also read the thing that I was talking about before. If your phone is reset, you'll need to enter the Google account information, email address and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. So that's the thing that I was talking about before. Also the recovery mode tells you that. Now confirm, select factory data reset, confirm once again. We can see down below that the process has started. Okay, data wipe complete. So now select reboot system now, confirm, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. Next thing that we need to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.